Zumbi
Going,
Falls.
Daddy?
We're going to Zumbi Falls in Zamboangan, just down the road. Oh, there goes a Zumbi truck right now. Zumbi. Chase some Zumbies today. He just forgot about these Zumbies. We're gonna go have Zumbi fun. Zumbi.
Today.
Zumbiza. The lion sleeps tonight. Oh, what are they doing? How do they build the house on the other side? Honey, we need to. Oh. Ah, low tide, huh? Low tide. Zombie infested forest. Zombies come out at night. Hi, Shiva, Mama, move! Mama's so slow sometimes. The zombies come out at night. Ba, ba, ba. Mama, you don't. I ride in the back. You ride in the front.
Front set, because you cannot. A lot of kids. Hi.
Hi.
Hi guys. Hi.
Jolina, and that's Jolina's friend.
This Jay.
Jay?
Dwarf. Jay the dwarf.
Jay Dwarf. No, JD?
Hi.
It's Manong. Are you bringing everything down or what?
No.
No?
Tatakan niya.
Later?
Ato ra ko ng Margie pangayo ron. Sana ako aman.
Later? Okay.
Binawasan ato dahil.
Margie's got all the money. Marty. Call her Marty. Marty Mama. Yes.
You want to hug?
No, it's okay. I'm good. That's why I got good shoes now. That's why I wanted slippers that had traction. We could have drove down here. If we had four-wheel drive, I drove down here. Yeah, that's what four-wheel drive's for.
It can't go up, maybe.
Oh, it can go up. Watch, wait till we get the four-wheel drive.
The truck.
The truck, it'll go up and down. There's the wing. Oh, we don't have to pay? No entrance fee?
Free.
Hot diggity dog. You got no entrance fee. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, this is gonna be good. Are you thirsty already? Oh. Richley Corporation provided the falls over here. Thank you so much, Richley. We appreciate it. Maybe a 3 months thing, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Come on, DJ, get with it. Come on, baby mama. Well, mom's down there, and oh, this is some good shots. I tell you what, they look good. We got a rice field over there, Dong's there, the wings there. Everybody in the Philippines think you got like 40 feet legs. Look at that, guys. 40-foot drop. Man, that's half my leg. That's a 3-foot drop. Come on. Some Filipinos are only 3 feet tall. That's as tall as a Filipino.
It's the standard height.
That's standard height? Standard height for going? I tell you what. For women, oh, what, 3 feet?
4'11".
4'11", and you got to.
I'm 4'11".
And look, guys, we got 4'11" here, and you got to step up 2 feet. Not 12 inches, but 2 feet. Breathe. Thought we'd be faster, guys, but you got an old man here. Son of a gun.
If you go up,
Going up is not a problem. Going down is a problem. Mommy's over there. One. Damn, that's half my leg. Come on, look at that. Look at that. Go down. Look at that. That's a whole leg. It's a whole leg. From crotch to from foot to crotch. So you shorter people think about getting in a little better shape. Ooh wee, look. There we go. I want to see sky too. Oh, look at the sky. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Everybody's having fun. Got the sushis in my pocket. That's keys for everybody else. We got snacks. Oh, geez, really? Isn't there someplace where I could jump? Okay. Boy, these slippers are good. Ah, mommy's taking her clothes off. There's Samuel. There's some other people. There's, excuse me, that's Jolina. Oh, we got a good close-up of that one, Joe. There's DJ. There's Fiona. And,
You want me to take a video?
hi, everybody. Here are we with Fiona.
I'm Fiona. Fiona the Shrek. Fiona Shrek. You know
Fiona
him?
Shrek?
Yes, you know that movie?
I don't. Which Shrek are you?
I'm Fiona and I'm looking
Oh,
for
you're
my
Fiona. Now I got it. Fiona.
Shrek. The Shrek, you know, the green one, the
Oh,
ogre.
Shrek's wife.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, you know,
now I'll never forget. There's Manong up there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think it's time for Daddy to get wet. Hey, Dong. Oh. You're not gonna get wet? You wanna hold the sushi?
Now. Ha? Anak? Pwede na sa tubig. Pansin. Ayaw lagi. Ambak.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all, swim good, boy.
Oh. Apple is 69. Ako ta. Oh. Again. Natabi ko natagak. Oh. Ay! Nako.
Makadong mo sa ilaw.
Oh, pwede na makadong. Ang bisa dong last.
Kameraman.
Di ato silang lah.
Ikaw.
Ingat na ko. Pwede lagi na eh. Ingat na ko.
Ikaw.
Pwede lagi na eh. No? Dong.
Saan ka pag zoom? Tumawa eh. Oh. Hindi dahil.
Hindi ko eh. Pwede ba ka na mabasa?
Ambak ka ta.
Tati.
Testing ang tanah ko. Laong bago. Bago pa ko.
Here. Is it shallow? We had a really good day, and look who's the last one coming up the hill. Who is that? Is that movie star mommy?
Honey.
Ah, she loves that. Very nice, very nice. I guess next week we're going to Henan for our anniversary, maybe. We'll see. It's okay, Sam. I mean Sharky. Sharky. The key. I don't have the keys.
Mommy, you have the sausage.
Shrek does. I mean, Fiona does. Fiona's got the keys. Hmm. Hmm. Ah. Glasses. I think
Mahonong tas-gas.
gasoline station for what? Are you what?
And then it's
You'll dry out. It's just gonna rain. It's okay. Oh, sorry about that little fumble, guys. We're all trying to get settled here. Uy, 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 strip show, strip show. Oh, now ulan, rain. Oh my God, we're wet. We're gonna get wet again.
Malingin Cortes.
Maligo, ligo, in the ligo, ligo. Ay.
Ato may babaw. Bisa lang mo pagilis kay nagbuwan. Basta na ilisa nato maribuhok.
Kai, Kai, you want me to drive?
Yeah, you na maribuhok.
I-
Ato ra tato.
I'll drive.
We will go to the maribuhok.
I'll drive.
We're walking. We're walking. We are walking. Gonna get lost, honey.
I won't get lost. Left, right, turn here, turn there.
Kaning violet?
Do you want me just to drive up the hill?
Oh, it's I'm fine.
You got the keys?
Sige, pabulong ka. Man, biscuit diya. Pagdali diha.
Andi, ha?
Ang kami di may mag-ilis pud. Pag-ilis, ikaw na mag-ilis ka na nasilong ka na unsa.
So we're gonna drive up this big hill here,
Drive.
and then we can go, go, go.
Pasak ara na sa
So we'll see you guys a little bit later, and look at that view. Nice, nice, nice.
Paunahain na dyan, paunahan nga to, Marge.
Perfect. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.